Okay, more or less, it's cleaned up. Closet. So, yeah. Let's see. Bed. The sun hits that and it just goes black. Dressers. Computer. Other one. Hey, Colby. Bathroom, linen closet right there. This one has like a stand-up shower, which is pretty sweet, I think.
Daddy.
What, baby?
What kind is that?
That's a shower one. That's like raining. That's for raining.
That's rain?
Yeah, you know how you like to take a bath sometimes?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
There's a plastic in here?
Yeah.
What's that?
That's a drain. That where the water goes out.
You know what the water goes out?
Yeah. Okay, come on. What you got?
Yeah, you know that
What's that?
it's for you.
Oh, it's for me?
Yeah.
$5 off Jiffy Lube. And okay, thanks. Alright, so that's the more or less tour. We got a little thing in here too, a little window. Alright. There you go.